Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Children, today we are going to study the maths of class 6, chapter number 9, HCF and LCM. So, in this video we are going to learn about the practice set number 23. Children, the full form of HCF is highest common factor, and the full form of LCM is lowest common multiple. About the factor you have learned in your lower class. Factor means when a number that divides another number evenly with no remainder, means zero remainder, is called factor. For example, 36 divided by 4. 36 is completely divided by 4. There is no remainder. It means 4 is factor of 36. One more example, 36 divided by 5. 36 is not completely divided by 5. Remainder is not 0. So 5 is not the factor of 36. Now let's start the practice set number 23. If you see in your textbook, question number 1 is given. Write all the factors of the given numbers and list their common factor. So the first question is given 12 and 16. So here we have to write the factor of 12 and 16 and we have to find the common factor between these two numbers. So factor of 12. 12 is coming in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And the factor of 16. 16 is coming in the table of 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Every number is coming in the table of 1. So 1 will be the common factor. So common factor here, if you see in the factor of 12 and 16, 1 is common, 2 is common and 4 is common. So common factor is 1, 2 and 4. Now let's see the second sum. 21 and 24. We'll write the first factor of 21. 21 come in the table of 1, 3, 7 and 21. And factor of 24 is, 24 is coming in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 doesn't come in the table of 5, so we are not taken the 5. It is coming in the table of 6. 24 is not coming in the table of 7, so we have taken 8 because 8 table 24 is coming. After 8, 24 doesn't come in the table of 9, 10, 11. Directly come in the table of 20, 12 and 24. Now the common factor between the 21 and 24 are 1 and 3. Now let's see the third one. Third one is given 25 and 30. So factor of 25 is 1, 5 and 25. The factor of 30 is the 30 come in the table of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Here what we have to do? Only we have to write the number in which table they comes. So common factor between the 25 and 30 is 1 and 5. Now, fourth one, number is given 24 and 25. We'll write the first, the factor of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And the factor of 25 is 1, 5 and 25. If we see the common factor between 24 and 25, there is only one is a common factor. So, fifth one is given 56 and 72. The factor of 56 is 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. The factor of 72 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 18, 24, 36 and 72. You can check 72 divided by 1 we can do, 72 divided by 2, 72 divided by 3. If the remainder is 0, means that number is the factor of given number. So the common factor between 56 and 72 is 1. Okay. I hope you have understood and thank you for watching this video.